I've just got the jacuzzi going, and we just wanted to take a little video of it. I was wanting a jacuzzi. I finally got one. Pump was broke, but got a new pump on. Right now I got the heat on because it's like the beginning of summer, so and the kids like to swim in this, so it's, you know, we don't have a swimming pool, so I let them play in this. It's relaxing. Just gotta turn it on today. They won't get in it. It's big, it's deep. See how deep it goes? Way down in there. You take the cover off. Throw a shark in there. This is the carpet cleaning show, right? Alright. Here you go. We'll do something with the carpet. Alright, you gotta do it. I'm building a truck mount. My first truck mount carpet cleaning machine is right there in my garage. And it's gonna be a beast. 22 horsepower. Okay, Honda clone. With the oh, close. 3 heat exchangers I got on there. I got the 1, a 2, and the 3. And my Harley Davidson mufflers I put on here. Because they're 2-inch, and my washer dryer for my tools. I didn't need that, so. Anyway, it's just about ready to go. Check us out at the Carpet Cleaning Show. Get yourself an engine, a blower, a pump, heat exchanger, or a little giant. You're good to go.
Like and subscribe.
Thank you. Bye-bye.